know what actually worries me the most?
You say Allison, I'm gonna punch you in the head.
She probably hates me now.
I doubt that. But you might want to come up with a pretty amazing apology. Or, you could just tell her the truth and revel in the awesomeness of the fact that you're a freaking werewolf. Okay, bad idea. Hey, we'll get through this. Come on, if I have to, I'll chain you up myself on full moon nights and feed you live mice. I had a boa once, I could do it.
So what happened? You left me stranded at the party.
Yeah, I know, and I'm really sorry. I am. But you're gonna have to trust that I had a really good reason.
Did you get sick?
I definitely had an attack of something.
Am I gonna get an explanation?
Can you just find it in your heart to trust me on this one?
Am I gonna regret this?
Probably. So is that a yes on a second chance?
Definitely yes. It's my dad. I better go.